Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Sealegend dryer vent cleaning kit. So here we get this attachment. You're going to put your vacuum cleaner right in here. This is really flexible. Then you're going to attach the hose here. Now this has this metal handle you're going to leave attached to this hose. Now this is a circular hose. This is what you're going to put down into the dryer to clean out the vent. You're going to attach this right here. We're going to attach our vacuum cleaner. And then this way you've got kind of this handle that you can use to kind of snake it down in there. So let's go clean out the dryer and see how it does. Okay, so let's try my dryer with this round hose one without the brush. You're going to take any kind of vacuum cleaner. It'll fit over the nozzle pretty good and it seals really good. Now you're going to turn your vacuum cleaner on and then you're going to kind of feed it down in here. You want to get past, but I can direct it down in there with this handle. So let's turn it on. Okay, so this is where I take the lint trap out, and I was able to get down in there and kind of snake it around a little bit. I got some more work to do, but I think it's going to do a good job.